learners, I am Neetu Sharma and I teach English in Government High School Kamalpur, District Sangrur. Today we shall have a poetic session for the poem An Earthquake, written by Vandana Lunyal. Dear children, the world around us is full of things that are on the move, like airplane in the sky. Can you tell some more? Yes, cars on the roads, animals wandering here and there. Even you and me are walking around everywhere. But do you know that the ground beneath is moving too? When the ground moves, that is called an earthquake, which is the title of the poem, An Earthquake. Dear children, before reciting the poem, let's discuss the pronunciation of some difficult words present in the poem, along with their meanings. First word is trembling, which means shaking or quivering. Confirmed, firmly established in a particular habit, belief, or way of life and unlikely to change their ways. Crashing down, to fall down with lot of noise and force. Stand tall, to behave in a brave, proud or unyielding manner. Fragmented, broke. Crawl, move forward on hands and knees. Let's move to the next one. Rubble, waste or rough fragments of stone, brick, concrete, etc., especially as the debris from demolition of building. Debris, scattered pieces of rubbish or remain. Next word is cozy, giving a feeling of comfort, warmth and relaxation. And the last word is tomb, a large vault, typically an underground one for burying the dead. Dear children, Before reciting the poem, let me tell you something about it. In this poem, the poet Vandana Lunyal is talking about an earthquake. She tells that how her bed shakes when earthquake occurs. She also describes the terrible scene after the quake, like fragmented town, homeless people, etc. Dear children, we are at the recitation session now. I will read the poem for you. Listen to it carefully. As I lay wide awake, my beds began to shake. Was my fear real or fake? The trembling fan confirmed the quake. The houses came crashing down. Oh my God! Cried the whole town. A moment ago, the town stood tall. Now, fragmented on the ground, it crawls, turned to rubble, changed into debris, houses, roads, parks and trees. Everywhere, everything is found, kissing and talking to the ground. People out of their cozy homes, some of which have now become tombs. Children, now as you have heard the poem, now speak the poem after me. As I lay wide awake, my beds began to shake. Was my fear real or fake? The trembling fan confirmed the quake. The houses came crashing down. Oh my God! Cried the whole town. A moment ago, the town stood tall. Now fragmented on the ground, it crawls. Turned to rubble, changed into debris. Houses, roads, parks and trees. Everywhere, everything is found. Kissing and talking to the ground. People out of their cozy homes, some of which have now become tombs. Children, let's recite the poem together one more time with proper intonations. As I lay wide awake, my beds began to shake. Was my fear real or fake? The trembling fan confirmed the quake. The houses came crashing down. Oh my God! Cried the whole town. A moment ago, the town stood tall, now fragmented on the ground it crawls. Turned to rubble, changed into debris, houses, roads, parks and trees. Everywhere, everything is found, kissing and talking to the ground. People out of their cozy homes, some of which have now become tombs. Dear children, hope you have enjoyed and understood the poem. Now let's do one activity. You have to write 5 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Now look at the poem and read it carefully. First rhyming word is awake, shake. Second, fake, quake. Third, down, down. Fourth, tall, crawl. And the fifth one, debris, trees. Dear children, let's try to give the answer for the following questions. First question, what is the poem about? Answer is, the poem is about an earthquake. Second question, what happened as the poet lay awake? Answer is, her beds began to shake. Third question, how did the poet come to know about the earthquake? Answer is, the poet came to know about the earthquake when his bed began to shake. Now let's move to the fourth one. What confirmed the poet's fear about the quake? Answer is, the trembling fan confirmed the poet's fear about the quake. Fifth question, what happened after the quake? Make a list. Answer is, the following things happened after the quake. Houses crashed down. The whole town cried. The town got fragmented. People became homeless. Homes became tombs. Children, let's do one more activity. Now you have to explain the meaning of the following lines from the poem. First line is kissing and talking to the ground. This line means that everywhere and everything is found turned to rubble, that is, changed into debris to the ground. Second line is some of which have now become tombs. Answer is people have been buried under the debris of their houses, and some of them have now died. So their houses become tombs. Dear children, now let's do one more activity. Have you ever experienced an earthquake? It may result in a disaster if the earthquake is big. There are two types of disasters, natural and man-made. Study the image below and try to make a list of all the natural as well as man-made disasters. Now let's discuss natural disasters first. Cyclones, floods, earthquakes, epidemics, landslide, famine. Man-made disasters are terrorism, pollution, industrial accidents, bomb explosion, war. Learning language, prepositions. Read the following sentences. Your pencils are in the box. The woman sat on the bench. The helicopter flew over the house. The earthquake changed the houses into debris. And the fifth sentence, Simran felt the earth shaking beneath her feet. Dear children, the words in, on, over, into and beneath show relation of, like in first sentence, the pencils and the box. In second sentence, the woman and the bench. In third sentence, the helicopter and the house. In fourth sentence, the earthquake, the houses and debris. And in the last sentence, Simran, the earth and feet. Hence, prepositions relate nouns, pronouns with other words in a sentence. Prepositions are always followed by a noun, where noun is acting as an object in a sentence. Dear children, let's look at the following pictures. In first picture, the mouse is under the box. And in second picture, the mouse is over the box. In third picture, the mouse is in the box. In fourth picture, the mouse is on the box. And in fifth picture, the mouse is in front of the box. And in sixth picture, the mouse is behind the box. And in the last picture, the mouse is next to the box. I hope the concept of preposition is quite clear to you. Dear children, let's do an activity. You have to choose suitable prepositions from the box to fill in the given blanks. The first one is done for you. But before completing the sentences, read the box carefully. First sentence, there are trees in front of our house. Now let's do the second sentence. Look, dash the blackboard. Yes, the right preposition is look at the blackboard. Let's move to the third one. Keep the bags dash the table. Keep the bags on the table. Fourth sentence. The boy is looking dash an answer. Try to guess it. Yes, the boy is looking for an answer. Let's move to the fifth one. We went dash bus to Amritsar. We went by bus to Amritsar. Sixth sentence. He travelled with me dash Chandigarh to Patiala. Yes, the right answer is from Chandigarh to Patiala. Seventh sentence. The girl stood dash the bench. The girl stood behind the bench. Eighth sentence. Look dash the bags for our papers. Look into the bags. Very good. Let's move to the ninth one. Go blank Sameer to the market. Yes, the right answer is with. Go with Sameer to the market. Last sentence, run dash call the man. Very good. Run to call the man. Dear children, this is all for this session. Hope everything is clear to you. But before winding up, your homework for today is, as you know, India and the whole world suffered an attack of novel coronavirus, due to which everyone had to stay at home. It was done to stay away from other people who might be infected with the virus. It is called social distancing. Make a list of do's and don'ts that the government and the TV channels were telling us. See you soon. Thank you.